Hey everybody, happy Black Friday. It's Friday, November 28th, 2025. I'm Patrick, disabled investor. Welcome back to the channel. On my journey to grow my registered disability savings plan to $1 million. Today got a little closer. Still not at all-time high, but not bad for a half trading day in the States and a thin trading session here in Canada. I ended up not doing too bad, but could have been better. Had a bit of a scare earlier on. My Ontario Disability Support Pension didn't come through. There was an issue where I got a new worker assigned and they wanted an income report, which is funny because I haven't had any income outside of ODSP for a while. But anyways, new worker wants new income report, which, to put it delicately, fucked me up a little bit. So I had to sell one of my holdings in my tax-free savings account just to free up some cash in case I was going to need it. I do have some money saved in my bank account, tax-free savings account, but that's because I sold a couple of items when I got this free computer from the low vision rehab and assistive devices program. I sold my old computer and I sold my Xbox because I can play games on this one. So thankfully I had some money set aside that will cover me in the short term, but this thing, I could see how it really fucks people up when a new worker comes in and decides to lay down the law, or I don't know what the hell, honestly. Nothing's changed in my circumstance other than I got a new worker. That's it. So anyways, I think I straightened it out. Should be getting my disability check this weekend, but or Monday. But I mean, if I had a landlord breathing down my neck and other big expenses, I don't know how I'd do it. Anyways, I sold 6 shares today of CMR, the Canadian money market ETF that was in my tax-free savings account, and I just freed up that cash in case I'm gonna need it. Looks like I'm safe, but it is what it is. And I finished the day up slightly, about $480, which is like 0.25% increase compared to the S&P 500 and the TSX. I underperformed today, so again, it's ringing the bell that I gotta move more of my money into the index funds because I'm underperforming, have been for the last few days, and it's just no good. I want to make at least what the index is doing. The good news is though that when I look back over my performance for the year, I'm actually at 39% year to date in my RDSP. Whereas the S&P 500 index has returned about 14% growth from January to now. So, that gives me some comfort knowing that I've been doing the right things as far as growing my portfolio. But, underperforming on a few days starts to eat away at me a little bit and give me pause to think about doing more of the core and satellite approach and putting more money into index funds and less money into individual leaps. That's what I'm thinking. Anyways, I ended the day up, as I said, $480 to finish the day at $172,696. Not bad. That's up about 0.25% compared with the S&P 500, which delivered a 0.5% increase today, and the TSX was up 0.6%. Things that took away from the gains in my portfolio today were leaps that I have for NVIDIA. I guess NVIDIA wasn't doing so great today. And the leap I have for Google. Those 3 leaps took away about $1,000 from my portfolio. And it was the leaps that I have for Intel that added $1,000. And the leaps, or the 1 leap that I have for SoFi that added another $100, and my shares of Netflix added about $80. So, overall it was an all right day. Can't complain. Had some dental work done and couldn't really spend a lot of time on this today, and it's just as well it was a half day. So, what are you gonna do? Anyways, I'm glad that that things seem to be resolved with ODSP, but don't need this kind of stress and scare near the holidays. And I can see how they can be responsible for pushing people over the edge when things are already tight. But it is what it is. Like I've said before, if I could earn a decent return every day through my portfolio, I would kiss ODSP goodbye, because it's no way to live. But I need it for the health benefits, because my prescriptions are very expensive, and without having enough money coming through, I just don't think I could do it. Anyways, it's coming time to look at getting a new kind of job, and figuring out what kind of career I can do with low vision. CNIB is helping me out with that, but it's nerve-wracking, having to relearn to do things. So, anyways, hope everybody had a good trading session for the last day of November, and on Monday we're into December, last month of the year, and we'll see how the Santa Claus rally treats us all. Hopefully it's a good one. Anyways, interested to hear what your best performer was today. Please comment, let me know. Anyways, have a good one. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.